Let me down.
Hi everyone, welcome to Bing Jie channel. So today I would like to sharing about the object-oriented programming. So we linkage for the Java programming. So it might be got 7 parts. So I will share the screen right now. Give me a moment.
A few moments later.
Okay, this is the 7 part of the Java programming. So it got the green color. You see there. It got a basic syntax, object class, basic data type, variable type, basic operators, loop, control, decision making. Let's begin for the basic syntax.
A little later.
Okay, so the basic syntax very simple. We consider a Java program, so it can be defined a collection of the objects that communicate. We are invoking each other's method. So for example, we got 4 types of meanings.
So we divide by 4 is for first object, second class, third is for method. Right, yes. So 4 is the instance variables.
Moments later.
So first, this is the coding part. Is for Hello World. It's the first Java programs. Okay, so if you got put will be Hello World substitute. And if you didn't put any document in the place, it will be like error. Okay, so it is obvious. Is the headers is for comment out. Okay, comment out. We got a lot of comment out. For example, double is also comment out. It's the first 1 line only. Okay, or you can comment out within 1 paragraph. Okay, this one the system. This system why you want to capital letter is later I will talking about letters. So print and then hello world. In hello world want to print. Okay, so print ln line is for line. If you didn't put line, I run it. Will be like something like linkage with this one. If I put ln, so might be next line something like this. Okay, so we're talking about the 4 methods. First, the Java programs is case sensitive. So means is what? Is if you want to write capital letter, you must write capital letter first word. Then if a small letter could be error because for example is hello world. If you put hello is capital letter, world is a small letter would be error. Okay, so we must double confirm because it's correct or not. Okay, this is the main important is case sensitive. Okay, so second, the class name. Class name is just now I mentioned that this is the class name. You see, restaurant management system also capital letters. First word. Okay, first word. If you put like another name is for my first Java class, my first S small letter Java class small letter or small letter will be my error method. Okay, so next is for method name. So method name should be something like this one. Public static void main. String is capital letter. Definitely. Okay. Next is for program file name. So program file name something like this one. Now also capital letter. Okay. For example, I using class is for string. So it's for size is for small large. Okay. So very simple. I write string size I using small and large. So behind will be put in en un. Yeah. Next we'll be using string size that will be small letters. Okay. So next we put public class string. Okay, I want to open bracket. So next will be something like this. I copy paste here. Public static void. And then I want to close it. If you didn't close, it will be error lah. So strings new string size. I think it's good. Sorry, good size string size. Strings will be capital letters. Capital sensitive. So string size large. So system dot out I will bring out lah. Bring out. I don't bring out. So okay. So size. Okay. Price. Use a dot size. Okay, that's it. Close it. Okay, you see, because it's the name. You see, the names. If you didn't change, it will be running this one below the hello world. So I changed name already. Output. The output will be say luck. So that's it.
The next day.
So basic data type, it might be got a lot. So a lot. Got 8. I think 8 or 7. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct. 5, 8. Just now I say 7 and 8. Reading 7 and 8 okay. So the byte. So byte is what? Byte is 1 byte. So you can store within -128 to 127. So short is the 2 byte. So 2 byte can store
negative 32,768 and then can to 32,767. Okay.
So integer is can save it the 4 byte. So 4 byte is can see the numbers okay. I can't read already. So long is can save it a lot of the digit numbers. So float is the store factor numbers. So it can storing 6 to 7 decimal digit. So the double is 8 byte. 8 byte is can strongly 50 decimal digit. So boolean is 1 bit. So it can for true false. So char is the 2 byte is can be single characters, letters, ASCII values. Okay.
The next day.
Okay, so today let's continue talking about the Java variable type. So Java variable type, you can put a value, you can put a integer, you can put a byte, or you can put a double, you can put a char. Okay.
A few minutes later.
This is the variable type, and then I put a public word first. Public word H, then upper close. This one want to bracket. Okay, so for example, I put integer. Integer H I put 0. Then H equal to H plus 50, and then close it, and then I put my name. So something like this, and then you can put a S here. So I think not. I think put these items because okay, SH. Okay, save it. Run the programs. Okay, your QH is 15. So if for example I put 7 integer, so maybe I can do like a plus. You plus this one. You for example this one change it H to 0. It might be 0 plus 15. So might be 15 only. Okay.
Later.
Okay. So I put employee. So public class employee. So I will write now to public string name private. Private is privacy. So it might be this bar. It might be do it privately to the this bar. So public is can all bar. You can do it to the public. Something like this. Okay. So let me do it first. So private double salary. Okay. Salary. Okay. Small letter. Correct. So now want to put public employee. So want to put name employee name. We close it. After that, so public want to set out the salary, and then go through want to print out the salary and name. Print out employee and then want to print the name and salary. So output might be like this one. So I put Simon. Okay, set salary I put 2,000. Okay, so run the file. Okay, Simon 2,000. I think that's it for this part. Using variable types. The variable types is very simple to do it like this one. So next I will talking about the main important things is called basic operator. So basic operator I will talking about 4 items only. So it's called arithmetic, creation, logical, and assignment operators.
A few inches later.
I didn't put a system. Want to put a system. System can sensitive, so it can correct. So for example, something like this, and then B equals to 600 minus 185. And then this one want to bring out something like this, also something like this, B. Okay, so you can run the file like this. Yeah, correct. And then the operators, for example, I'm using a C. I will using a D. Okay, so for example, C. Okay, A equal to A plus B. Can run or not? So C is plus using A plus B. Let me think about it. I don't know. I think I can try. Okay. A plus B. If the total A plus B, it might be this one 415. Okay, this one 415. Okay, 415. So this one is plus this one and plus this one. Something like this. Okay. So D easy. I using F times 5 lah. Okay. So this one bring out also want to bring the D. So 640 lah. This one is 40, correct. Okay. So next, this one very simple, right? So next I will talking about the operators. Oh my goodness. Next of the operators very is called division. I didn't do, so I do it E. So why cannot E? Cannot because I didn't put either E. So very simple. So I will go E. I think 645 divided by 5 lah. Very simple, right? So the system bring out E is for this one 129. That's it. Okay. So next we'll be continue talking about this one. Okay, already it's called arithmetic operators. That's okay already. And then we're talking about next I will talking about the modules. So modules is F. I put F because got F equals to 64 modules 7. So it might be got F. So the modules is how much? 1. If I put 8, it will be 0. It's because the modules is hidden. Also 0. Okay. So the modules got 1. Okay. Okay. Next, I will talking about the plus. Plus is for increment. Okay. So let me do an example. This one. I think I do it H. So H. I think this one didn't have plus H lah. So H is this one plus G, because you know G. I think for example G I put it 9, so it might be. This I change it to H. Run it. Okay, 10. See 10. Yeah, correct. If I put negative minus is for what? Minus is called decrement. Decrement is decrease the value of variable by 1. Okay. Minus G is decrease. So it decrease H. If I put G minus, it might be 9. You see? Yeah, correct. If I put G plus, it's also 9. Right? Yes, correct. Okay, so that's it for the arithmetic operator. Next, I was talking about it's called relational operators. Okay, so I was talking about relational operators.
Meanwhile,
okay, for example, I using number 1 is for 12 and number 2 is for 4. Okay, so the equals to so how many? So it might be I got true false. Let's say I put true false statement. This one is for true false statement. So for example, it's not equal to is false because why false? Equal not equal is true. If I change the numbers 12, it might be true in the number 2. True. Okay, not equal to is the number is not equal to 12, so it will be false. Okay, greater than you see greater to number 2 is false. Your less than also false. If greater than or equal to is true, because if less than equal to also true. Okay, so it might be simple. Okay, so I think relation operators it might be just I simple to think about like this. Okay, so next I will like to talking about the logical operators. Okay, so logical operators because I think this one I skip it first. Logical operators I think I skip it because I think this item very poor little bit. Okay, so next I will talking about the assignment operators. I skip up to this part. I will go through assignment operators. So assignment operators I will talking about 1, 2, 4 items on equal, plus equal, minus equal, times equal, and divide equals. Okay, so let's begin. As I will do it for this part. Okay, so next I using this one.
later.
I think supposedly got error is because this one I think not how to say? I think. You see, I plus equal. I think this one 10. I think this one 10. 16 10 already. Okay, this one I change it put here because you put here will be got error message. So I will do it like this one. Okay. Equal is easy, 16 only. Okay, plus equal, minus equal is negative. Okay, not negative. It might be 10. Okay, equal lah. Can say it easily for x. I equals to I minus j. Like this. Next, I was talking about the times. Times equal j and then dy by j. So let me run the part. Okay, this one times and dy. Dy didn't. Okay, so something like this. Okay, so I think that's all for the operators.
2,000 years later.
Continue talking about the load control and decision making. So let me get the whole this screen. Okay, so I will reopen the new file is for the load segment. So load control. Okay, load control. Okay. So it got 3 sections we'll be talking about, and I think 3 sections will be talking about while loop, for loop, do while loop. Okay, so the while loop very simple. I'm doing an example. Okay, I put integer b is for 100. Okay, so while b less than 200, okay, so system dot out dot print. Then this one, so I put numbers. So like value of b plus b, close it. Then b plus plus and system dot. I think put green line lah, enough lah. Okay, so run the file. Okay, value of b enough. You see, 100 until 199. Okay, because if I put b less equal that, so it will be cover until 200. Okay, so something like this. Okay, this one is while loop, very simple. So next, I was talking about the for loops. For loops is want to run it until the for loop. I do a simple code, so I also using this one. So for, I think I put integer here lah. Don't need to confuse man. B. Okay, something like this. For, I put c, integer c. C equals to 13, and then c equals c biggest equals to 50. Only I think less than 50. Then c equals c plus 1. Then system dot out print line value c plus c. Then next, I think on it. Okay. Save it, run. Okay, nice.
Nice.
Okay, this one simple but for loop statement. So next, I will continue talking about the do while loop, doing and while loop. So let's begin.
Many minutes later.
Okay, so do, you want to do it first and then do it while loop. So I also hide this one first because I scared the items might be bugs, you know. Okay, so same with just now. I do it white. Okay, white. So I do it a white. Then I do first. We do in the bracket. Right. Yes. Are done. Want to put link line. Yes, link line want to put value of y for y. Then so y is equal to, I think, put 60. Okay, 60. So system y, okay, and then y plus plus, and then okay, so it might be like this, and then wow, y less than 100. 90 lah, senang lah. 90. That's it. Run the file. Run. Okay, you see, 60 until 89. If you got equal, including the 90, okay? So that's it for the loop control statement. So I think supposedly this one done. Loop control of the while loop. For loop, do while loop, 3 items enough already. Finished already. So next, I will talking about if statement. If the decision making. So next, I will open a new file. So the new file I put decision making. Okay, decision making. So next, I will using if statement. Okay, I also put it this area integer G. So I put integer G in front, and then I put public static word in this statement. If G equals to 20, I think integer G, and then G equals to F. I think this one I want to put inside. Put inside here. Yeah. Save it, run the file. This is if statement line. Okay, green line. That's it. This is if statement. Each statement, not this is the if statement only. Very simple. So next, I will talking about the if else statement. So if else statement, I also do it this one. Also using this statement, and then I if, and then else. Also using system green line. This is else statement. Okay, so I let us do it to 60. It might be do it output else statement. Okay, so very simple. For example, okay, I do it numbers. So this one I using J. Okay, J. No, I think okay, correct. Using a J. So if J in J I put number is for 35. Okay, 35. Simple. J next G. So the output is for system to output link line. Not a if statement. Value of J smaller than G. Else if so system dot green line value of that is bigger than G. Okay, then else system dot output the value of J and G is and G numbers is same. Okay, so something like this, and then this one I wanna hide it first. No, I think hide this. Okay, something like this, and then run the file. The value J is smaller. Okay, so for example, I need to change the numbers. Okay, 25. Value of J is bigger than G. Okay, this one is 25. Okay, I put same. Same. Okay, value J and G is same. That's it. Very simple. Okay, so for example, I think this one I give it an example simple already. So it might be like if else else statement. Oh, sorry, this is the if else the statement. Very simple, right? So in this one, that's it. And then we'll be talking about the nested if. So, okay, let me open it. The nested if statement. So nested if statement is want to put it 2-digit numbers. It might be want to put and then print out these two items. So I will using same of the G and J. So I also hide it. Okay, so for example, if G equals to 30, this one 60, 60 equals to 60, and then double bracket if. So let me hide it first. Okay. So if J equal 35, and then the output is this one. So the system dot out of 29. Okay. Something like this, and then is 60. J is 35. Okay, so let me run the bar. Okay, so something like this. Okay, so this one is very simple. Okay, output is this one come out. Okay, no wrong. I think. Okay, so next if I say finish already. So let's continue to the switch statement. But lastly for the statement. So for example, this one I do it using break statement. So I also hide it first. Hide, and then hide one. Okay, so next I was talking about the greatest grade. So grade, I think I supposedly done thing like this. I do it. Okay, so copy paste, and then you can run the file. So well done, you get a C. So graded C. So for example, I graded A. So I graded A. Okay, so something like this, and then okay, that's all. I think for example, I put F. So try against if you put the D, you pass it. And then you want to better try against something like this. Okay, so I think that's it for this video.
So please subscribe me for my YouTube channel. Please like and share for my YouTube channel, and please like and share for my this video, this program for the object-oriented programming. Okay, so if you got any question, you can inbox me, or you can message for under below for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe. See you guys again. Bye bye.